Hey guys, how's it going? It's Mace Dog here, and today we're back at playing Turnip Boy Commits Tax Evasion. In this episode, we're going to be finding the four-pronged fork, I guess, for Mayor Onion. It said that it was part of the Forsaken farmhouse that's going to be down south. So what we're going to do is we're going to head down there and check this out. So it does look like there's quite a few people here. I have been on a little bit of a break from this game. Whenever I play games, I usually like to stay current with them and do back-to-back. But with this game, I haven't played in a week, so I might be a little rough still. We like to learn new dances and post them to flip-flop. More like TikTok. Sometimes we'll even do karaoke. Alright, karaoke. Hi there. I'm a teacher from the nearby patch. Nice to meet you. I would love to stop and talk, but I have to attend my class. We're on a field trip right now. This place is pretty cool. There's this interesting cave I want to have the kids check out later. Ooh. The cave? Will do. Ooh. Looks like some sort of device we could get later. This is the worst day ever. I dropped my phone down the cliff. I have no idea what to do. So it's her phone. Alright. Check out what this one's got. I accidentally dabbed into Holly's phone while we were recording for Flip Flop, and it fell off the cliff. Oops. And so it's her fault. So we could go into the cave. Alright. Whoa there. Official Flavortown PD Biz. Oh my. You're adorable. Your little leaves and everything. What do you need, little guy? What's up? Well, I don't know that, dude. I can't just let you in here. There's procedure here. My partner sneaked a peek when I went to the restroom, and he won't tell me what he saw. So even I don't know what's back there, little guy. Sorry, little guy. I'm the wrong guy to ask here. Maybe my partner Biff will tell you what's in there, and you could tell me right after. Back it up, yous. This part of Rocky Ramp is now under Flavortown PD's jurisdiction. State your business. Oh, wise guy, huh? Your cute tricks won't work on me. Those little button eyes and those stubby little legs. Oh my mush, you're adorable. Start talking, yous. Okay, tough guy. Being cute is only half the battle. Now you gotta get an eye for El Tigre. But come back when you've got the heart of an artichoke. You know, the thrills of the fight. I don't know, ask my partner, buddy. Maybe he knows something. So neither of them know anything. Great. Well, I guess the only option is to go down here. See what this guy's up to. Why, how do you do there, adventurer? I'm doing pretty darn fine myself, if you ask me. There's just here watching these lovely snails. I'm the local snail watcher. As you must know, these are an endangered species. Ooh. Too bad I killed all of them. Us veggies and fruits gotta make sure we don't destroy their ecosystem. We should be coexisting. Well, it doesn't look like they're coexisting anytime soon. Let's get rid of all of these real quick, see if there's anything hidden. I wonder what that little thing on the side is. It looks like a little piece of paper. Alrighty. Field log 2. Little is known about how many fish there are in this pond, but it seems we only observe one at a time. Alright. Welcome, newcomer, to the carrot patch. Yeah, we live pretty far from town. It's scary to go over there. So we just vibe here, just swaying back and forth as one does. Alright, so... Ooh. With all these, symbols, I think there's going to be some sort of JoJo reference. Oh. Rero. Rero. No. Alright. So we can't go up there. I bet the view from the deck would be amazing. Too bad the stairs are broken. Maybe we could use a stool to get up there. I think I know exactly where we could find a stool. Don't worry, you're safe here. There was this weird thing that came here, but I took care of it. What do you mean, how? I chucked it in the trash. Did you see the weird orange thing? Yeah, there was a small orange thing that came here. It kind of looked at us, but it was really small. Weird, right? Oh, don't tell me that they threw the baby carrot in the trash. They threw the baby in the trash. Well, we know where the kid is now. So, might as well go back. We'll be able to get that stool now. And that's what you get for not talking to everybody. So now we'll finally be able to give her the kid. There we go. And then she should be able to give us the stool. Yo, you found him. Thank you so much. Take my school. It's like literally the only thing I own. He can't get away this time if he's on my head. Alright, so we got the stool, so we can now go to the deck. And I think with each one of these, it's like one of those mini bosses, or I should say more of a boss that we have to defeat, because last time we had the king pig. So I think that'll be I think for each episode what we'll do is be able to do one boss for each episode. So I wonder who's in this one. We got the stool. That's a cute looking stool you got there. I just remember that I'm terrified of heights, so you go ahead. And I got my sword, so we're gonna go in. Looks a little haunted. Dear Diary, Mom and Dad grounded me for breaking the front window, but Matt was the one who did it. I ain't no snitch, but I wish he fessed up. Alright. It looks like this could be one of those easy exits. Possibly. Oh. Gotta get rid of these guys. Or just get pushed back into the main room. So he dropped that. This donut here. Alright, so the donut's a little harder to get, but it has projectiles. Face mask, stay 6 feet away. Alright, so we got a bomb here. I don't know what this is. Oh, this might be from, like in the other room. So, oh, or not. Oh, here we go. Alright. So we water this, push it down. Or not. Maybe we need a special boots or something to be able to do that. Alright, so we're gonna go up top first. Oh no. Alright, we got him. Alright, alright. Looks like there's some sort of jam jar. Or prescription. I don't know. Let's do this real quick. That blows up that. Oh. Alright. Got a little worried real quick seeing that there was all these people here. Hold your horses there, partner. Did you really just destroy our fortifications? Well, you better be willing to help us out cover the costs. Go over yonder to the mission board. Some folks got some work that need to be done. Come back after, and I'll set you up with this key. We keep some areas locked down to keep the rotten away. Check out the mission board for what to do next. Make sure you report back to the depth after checking it out. Oh no, where's the mission board? Oh, right here. Supplies needed. Take to Nurse Berry. Global warming. Child missing. Alright. So it looks like we got a few things to look for. Oh. That one's definitely rotten. Alright. Howdy, partner. Find some jobs on the mission board? Don't look so down. It's the least you can do. Take this key. You should be able to use it to explore the farmhouse some more and get some more work done. Just be careful, there's rotten afoot. If you wanted to be a real doll, you could start up that generator. Generator. Alright, so we're gonna first go through here. So it is medicine. Alright. I don't know what generator he was looking at. Or the deputy was looking at. So we just need a band-aid to help with that. She's missing her child. It was only 2 seconds. I turned away for 2 seconds and my baby sister wandered off. Seems like a lot of people are missing their sisters or brothers. I'm supposed to be the adult here. After the rot took our parents, I've been taking care of the family. Now my little sister's gone. Wait, you'll help? Thank you so much. Please hurry. I've heard the cupcake monster really likes to feast on cherries. Yo, yo, yo. Sizzle me, dizzle, fizzle, yo. You feel? Give it up for DJ Sizzles. Yeah. So. Well, hello there, hot stuff. Those leaves on top of your head are buff. Say, cutie, you should pick me up some medical supplies for me. I need a bandage, medicine, and a mask. Alright. Hey. No thanks. Alright, so we need to explore some more. Let's go in here. There's a band-aid here. Alright, so we might be able to, oh. Swap it up. Oh. Make this big. Push this over. Alright, alright. How do I get that? Oh, alright, sorry. I didn't see the bomb. There we go. Get that band-aid. Alright. See if there's anything else we can pick up real quick. Doesn't look like we can go over there. Dear Diary, I went to Matt's baseball game today. It was weird since everybody was wearing a mask, and we sat far from all the other families. Matt hit a ton of home runs, though. That's good. Oh, and we're just gonna head right in. So we got the nurse, her stuff. Nurse Berry, my knight in shining armor. Oh, thank you, darling. Here's a key, sugar. Here's a key, sugar. Darling, come and see if you need some healing. But I do. A berry-flavored kiss should heal you right up. Ooh, ooh. It did heal me right up. So we got one more key. Let's see. And get a quick switch. Alright, let's see if we can survive this. Just rushing that donut doesn't seem to really help out a lot. So let's see. Alright, so that doesn't work. Alright, move mittens. Alright, that's where we can push the watermelons. Use these to push the move melons. Wait. Do you have hands? I mean... Nah. Dear Diary, Mom got some new mittens that look like slices of watermelon at the flea market today. Alright, I see where this is going. Oh. Oh, and we're gonna go down here too. Push this down. It does look like there's... Oh, We could do this. Alright, we can do this. If I just stop tripping. Kick the bomb so it opens up that. And let's swap out our weapons. Let's see if we can not die from here. Lost cherry baby. Just what she was looking for. Selective service system. Matthew Rigby. Sir, you hereby notified that you were the 15th day of April 2020 legally drafted in the service of the United States for a period of 30 years. You will accordingly report on April 20th, 2020, to the Armed Forces Station, Induction Station. Let's rip that up. Dear Diary, oh my god, I got Zach Dreen to sign my Gigasword poster. I'm literally going to die. Oh my god. But like, can we rip it? Of all things. So we can go back up here. Quickly run into this other room so we don't get damaged. And go over here and quickly get healed up. Alright. So now we're gonna give this to her. It's the baby. Thank the mushroom, my little sister is alright. Thanks for getting her back safely. Here's a key for your troubles. Alright, so we got the last key. And it seems like we can do the last mission, which is down here. Oh, alright, so a little different. The Army Telegram. The Rigsby family. We deeply regret to inform you the Captain Matthew Rigsby has been missing in action since July 15th, 2020. Upon receipt of further information in the office, you will be advised immediately verifying the whereabouts of Captain Matthew Rigsby. So it seems like he's missing. Alright. Ah. Rotten cat apple. Alright. So... Uh-oh. Uh-oh. So, it seems like we gotta... Oh. Watch out for these worms. Uh-oh. Oh no. I don't know how we missed that, but I'll take it. Oh, definitely got hit there. And there's just more worms. And we definitely need that heart. Uh-oh. Alright. There's way too many worms now. Alright, let's try to avoid this. Ah! First death. Let's retry this. Alright, so that's good. It saves us where we left off. Alright. So, first off... quickly make these little platforms. Hopefully so we can get out of there. Alright. Destroy some worms real quick. Not gonna attempt that. Alright, so he's over there. Quickly water this watermelon. Get it over here. Get more angles on that. Quickly get as many as we can of this. Alright. Alright. One last hit and we should be set. Does keep on resetting the bomb. That should be fine. There we go. Alright. Looks like we got a couple of things. We got the lost cat. Or lost cat apple. Little red munchkins. And we get another heart. So, it seems like the only way out is through up here. And it doesn't look like there's anywhere else. Alright, so we're gonna go up here. Oh, field log 3. Big machine go, brrr. Spray paint. I know who would like that. Now the generator's running. Should be all set. Seems like we can go back through here. Oh, let's see what you're up to. Hiya, Turnip boy. It was nice studying this place, but I'm going to take my notes back to my research lab in a bit. Side note, did you see the pickle gang in an idle icebox? They're a notorious gang around these parts. I'm surprised they haven't enlisted anyone to help them break out yet. Please don't help them, Turnip boy. Ooh, we got a little macaroni man. What the heck you just freaking said about me, little turnip? All of you know I graduated top of my class in pasta seals, and I've been involved in numerous secret raids on the barn, and I have over 300 confirmed kills. I'm trained in guerrilla warfare, and I'm the top sniper in the entire pasta armed forces. You're nothing to me but another target. I'll wipe you. Oh my god, there's so much on this. Alright, we're just gonna Oh, we got a fork. I didn't even read it. Shit. Alright. Well, did I get everything for him? Yes, I did. Let's see what these, the pickle gang's up to. Psst. Turnip head. I've heard you've been carrying out missions for the folks around here. Mind helping out an old friend? Me and the boys are trying to break out, and I need to get me something to break this glass. Maybe a hammer of some sorts. Of a guy who meet you in the alleyway over by the layer lanes. Shady type. You can't miss him. Do this for me and I'll consider you our family water under the bridge. Alright, so I got the fork and everything. Alright, so it seems like we can just leave now. We got the fork. Ooh. The fork does damage too. Alright. So we'll go back to Mare Onion. Show him our fork that we got. That 4-pronged spear will come in handy, all according to plan. Anyways, Annie has been telling me about this goop with that stranger property over on the Forgotten Forest. I want it. No, you can't eat it. Get me some of that goop. I don't care what you have to do to get it. So it seems like he took my fork that I had. But I guess that's alright. And what we'll do is we'll end the video off here. If you did enjoy this video, please don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and leave down in the comments section below if you have any new suggestions for games and stuff. It would really help out the channel a lot. And I'll talk to you guys in the next episode. See you guys.